What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be making a super hard trap beat, something you'd hear Southside making. So let's jump right into this. Alright, so we're going to start with the melody, and I'm going to use out this new plugin I got called Heat Up 3. I'm going to see if I can find something cool, maybe some like distorted bells or something. Let's take a look. Alright, so I played some notes out on the keyboard and I got rid of some stuff, and I turned up the BPM so we have like a little faster pace going here. So this is what it sounds like right now, and I'm going to play with it a little more and add some notes. Alright, we're gonna need to go find another instrument to go with this as well. Alright, what I'm going to do for this piano is I'm actually going to double it up. So I made an effect rack right here by just clicking on this plugin and pressing Command G. And then I can actually duplicate this right here. So I'm going to make, there's going to be two pianos playing at the same time, and I'm going to have them panned out a little bit. Just to make the piano sound bigger. And we're going to take a lot of highs out of this. This is mostly just going to be like a dark piano sound. So that other instrument that we were just messing with is going to be the one that's going to dominate the higher frequencies. And we're going to take a lot of highs out of this. This is mostly just going to be like a dark piano sound. So that other instrument that we were just messing with is going to be the one that's going to dominate the higher frequencies. Alright, so if you're going to do some Southside drums, you're probably going to want to use some sort of a Spins 808 or something similar to that. I'm just gonna layer this clap with this snare because this clap sounds crazy. Alright, so Southside uses this hi-hat a lot, or like little variations of it, but this is a very classic hi-hat that's in a lot of different samples. It sounds like this. So we're gonna use this one. Shorten up the sustain a little bit. Alright, so Southside likes to use like really aggressive hi-hats, so we're going to be putting like lots of rolls in certain areas to make it sound more aggressive like that. And he usually uses like a harsh open hi-hat, something like this. This is right from this kit too with Palace. Alright guys, so that's how you make a Southside beat. So I decided to spend more time on this video just messing with the different sounds so you can see more of that process versus arranging it too. So let me know what you thought about that tutorial. Smash the like button if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading daily tutorials and you're not going to want to miss out on them. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.